Hi, this is Maggie. Maggie's going to show you how to brush with braces on using one of the models here.
When you begin the brushing process, it should take you about 5 to 10 minutes total. You begin with doing the brushing circles, angling your toothbrush down towards the bracket, up along the gum line. You spend about 10 seconds on one area before moving to the next area. And then you continue doing this all the way across until you reach the other side, like 10 seconds or so. All the way across. When you finish that, then you start directly on top of the brace, positioning the toothbrush right on top of it. Continue doing the brushing circles, 10 seconds in one area before moving to the next. All the way across. And then same thing underneath the bracket. You still angle it up towards the brace, but along the bottom under the wire there. Along with brushing the inside of the teeth and the biting surface all the way across. And then same thing on the lower. On top of the brackets, angling the toothbrush towards the brace. Directly on top of the bracket. And right below, underneath by the gum line. Again, angling the toothbrush up towards the bracket. You can also use the toothbrush to push down underneath the wire to remove the plaque and food that can get stuck in between there. The next tool that we use is the proxy brush. With this, you put it underneath the wire up along each bracket from the one side to the next, in between every one, all the way across. And then just the same on the lower. Up next to each bracket, just like on the top. You can also use this little bristle up along the gum line as well to get the plaque and food right up next to the gums. After you're finished using the regular toothbrush and the proxy brush, you will also use the floss fish to do flossing in between the teeth. That will be shown on another video. And now that I've shown you how to brush on the model, I'll be showing you how to do it on a patient that has braces.
Okay, this is Taylor. Now Maggie is just going to show you how to do the brushing, right, using Taylor as a model.
When you brush just like before, you position the toothbrush with the bristles down towards the bracket, along up against the gums. Same thing, 10 seconds in one area before moving to the next. All the way across along the upper. And then position the toothbrush directly on top of the bracket, doing your brushing circles again, 10 seconds in each area before moving to the next. All the way across. Same thing underneath the bracket, you position the toothbrush up towards the brace, doing your brushing circles, along with the biting surface, open big please, of the tooth, and the inside, all the way across. Same thing on the lower. On top of the bracket, angling it towards the brace. She picked out some pretty colors here. Right on top of the actual brace. And then with the lower, you want to make sure you get your lip out of the way and get underneath the brace, up, angle the toothbrush up towards the bracket again, and clean that gum tissue down there as well. With the proxy bristle, same thing. Up right next to each bracket, getting it on each side, gently getting that gum tissue as well. And then you can also use this up above the brackets. to get the plaque and food up along the gum line there. Same thing on the lower. And then along with brushing, after you've done the toothbrushing and used the proxy brush, we also recommend that you use a fluoride rinse. And you can do that after you brush and everything. And then we like you to do that at night, so then you don't eat or drink anything after you do that. And you rinse for 1 minute or so.